So I woke up super confused. And then I found this little guy just chilling in my room. And so that's good. All right, buddy, out this way. Silly bird, you go out this way. So that's good. My hair's a bit of a mess. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay. No, I don't like that hat. So there's a bird in my room. How he got in here, I don't know. I'm just gonna make some tea until he comes out of there. Make sure you put in the comments below how you would get your bird out of the room. Yeah, but for now, I'll just let him do his thing. He's probably having a heart attack right now. He's like, I took a wrong turn and have a cookie. Okay. Favorite tea, peppermint tea. With a heck of a lot of sugar. Yeah. Okay. So goal. Get bird out of house. Maybe if I just like wrap them in my jacket and then throw them outside gently, of course. Duh. If he poops on my laptop, I'm gonna be a bit bummed. Okay. Hi. First thing we need to establish, what is your name? Hammy. Okay. Hammy, I'm gonna ask you to leave. That way. Oh, his mom's outside. She's like, what are you doing in there, boy? Okay. Hammy, I'm gonna point the curtain outward that shows the door. In case you get lost, it's the knobby thing. Hammy? Hammy, where'd you go? Hammy? There! Yes! Good. Okay, we're getting somewhere. That's right. Okay, Hammy, I'm closing the door. And I'm opening the next one. This is like a mission. Okay. Who wants to go on a safari? Okay. Hammy, I've opened the door. This door's a bit more tricky. Scary human has to stay holding it open. Hammy? Hammy, where'd you go? Get out of my jacket. Wait a minute. Okay. Hammy? It's gonna jump up in my face. Hammy? In my boat? Hammy? Hammy, my tea's getting cold, man. It's not funny. Ah! There he goes. Ladies and gentlemen, a bird has just been returned to the wild. He was once a captive in Jack's room, and I hope he pooped over his stuff.
Poop. 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 And when you keep thinking there can't be more poop, poop. And Carter just put the bird in my room and it just pooped everywhere.
How he got in here, I will never know.
Kid you not, the bird came in here, there was poop, 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 poop all in here. And I thought, no, that's bird, it's under the window, but how can a bird poop? Look at this! Look at how much bird poop from when he released it into my room!
I was like, hey, this way, you silly bird. And then he was like, oh, man, I was silly. I didn't even see that door there. And then I opened it for him. Yeah, I'm a bit of a safari guide myself. Really love animals.
What's up, guys? My name's Carter. I like to put birds in people's... I tripped on that last one and cut my leg up pretty good, but that's the price of quality film, baby.
It was quite strange. I walked into the cabin and then my office chair is upside down and there's blood everywhere and ramen's in my bed and...
Ramen? Oh, here's a whole carton of cigarettes.
You know, if I didn't know any better, I think Jack thought I put the bird, it was a bird, into his room.
Yeah, gonna release birds into my room. Well, how do you like these apples? Today we're gonna be making tea. This is my favorite brand, Span Pellegrino.
Looks like Jack, was just trashing the place. I don't know.
Want some just right?
My next idea was the fan. You know, maybe remind him of the outdoors and say, hey, you don't belong here. This is the wind, and that's where you belong.
I don't always drink in the shower, but when I do, I drink Stan Pellegrino. I love turtles.
Yeah. Nah.
Instead of drying off in a towel, I just like to roll around in Carter's bed for a while.
You know, I'm actually quite concerned for Jack's psychological state. In the shower, it looks like he legit cut the head off a bird and then used it as a crayon in the shower.
You know, some days with Carter, you just want to poke his eyes out, you know? Oh, I got so much cheese, Doritos on my fingers. I gotta wipe this off.
That's about that, really.
What's up, guys? My front camera stopped working, so this is how I'm gonna vlog now. Make sure you like all the subscribes and comment for more likes.